Inihaw na Liempo. Inihaw na Liempo, or grilled pork belly, needs no introduction at all. The name of the dish already defines itself. This is one good food that I really like because of its simple preparation and magnificent taste. Ingredients: 2 pounds pork belly, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1 piece lemon, or 3 to 4 pieces calamansi, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 cloves garlic crushed, 1/4 cup banana catsup, 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Cooking procedure: combine pork belly with the soy sauce, lemon, salt, ground black pepper, garlic and mix well. Marinate the pork belly for at least 3 hours. In a bowl, pour the pork belly marinade. Then add banana catsup and cooking oil. Stir well. This will be the basting sauce. Grill the pork belly while basting the top part of the pork after flipping it over. Pork chops. About pork chops. Like other meat, pork chops is a loin cut